in your opinion, what are the current biggest weaknesses and biggest strengths of Hinduism in today's world?
Okay, look, the biggest strength is this. We are the only tradition, perhaps I can say, which can claim itself to be a living tradition. Others are stuck in a way with ancient prophets, ancient mystics, old religions. I'm being very frank. I'm not trying to undermine others, but this is the biggest positive thing we possess. We are a live religion. And again, where does this liveness stop? Say, oh, I'm for example fixed on Vivekananda, love Vivekananda. Okay, do you think it stops there? No. This is an ongoing journey. Vivekananda said, don't bow down to a prophet, don't bow down to Vivekananda, become better than a prophet. See the empowerment it gives to humanity, saying, come on, get off don't wait for a goat to sort you out. You sort yourself out. Stand on your own feet and sort yourself. This is, if you like, the ongoing evolved face of Hinduism. It gives tremendous kind of emphasis on a modern, contemporary vision of our spirituality, which is suitable to our time, which fits in with the ideas of rationality and science. We possess this marvelous. This is the strength. It can tackle the challenges of science head on. Not only it can tackle the challenge of science, it has got the ability, I'm telling you, watch this space. It has got the ability to take science to the next phase of development. It's stuck at the moment. Theoretical physics is stuck in a cul-de-sac. It doesn't know where to go because of quantum and consciousness. It doesn't know where to go. It's just throwing in the towel, saying the world is breaking up into infinite copies and all that nonsense. So the modern physics is now struggling. So this is the strength. We come from a tradition. Look, I'm really pulling, lifting my collars up. We come from a tradition that has got the power of taking science into the next phase of its development. We possess. This is the strength. We are a live religion, very evolving religion, and you've got the ability to take science forward. Forget about being frightened of science. We can take science forward. Challenge. I'm telling you, because I do this. Okay, this is the strength. What's the weakness? I already said. First of all, our weakness is this. When things go wrong for us, we like to blame somebody else. Have you noticed everything going wrong in India today? They'll say, oh, people of other religion are stepping on us and they ruled us and they conquered us and they've left this legacy behind. So we like to point a finger at others. This is the weakness. Instead of taking the blame on ourselves and something must have gone wrong in our system that these other people could walk in and step all over us and destroy our dignity and so on, instead of taking the blame, so something was wrong with, how can somebody step on my dignity or my country's dignity? Instead of taking the blame on ourselves, we blame others. This is the sign of a weakness. This is the greatest weakness of modern Hindus. They can't accept that they have serious issues within their own system, which has made them weak and vulnerable. So they try to just keep blaming others and vilifying others. That won't help you. Strengthen yourself. Forget about vilifying other religions or other traditions. Strengthen yourself and stand up. Look, this is what is happening. I see the stirring up in modern India, and I'm praying this will continue for the 10, 20 years, and India will be a different world. It is very possible and very likely that in the very near future, in our lifetime, we hope we both live long lives, we will see a change in India, dramatic change in India, where it will refocus its emphasis not on this kind of secular motivations, commercial motivation, and it will refocus attention on spiritual dimension, on this kind of the important thing that we already possess. That's the backbone of that nation for thousands of years. We need to re-emphasize the spiritual, underpinning to the current that we actually already have. We need to plug into that current, and you see the difference. India will rise up like nobody's business. This is my personal.